Good morning. I am online maths teacher Mardu. Today we see the chapter number 1, relations and functions. First we see the order pair. Number pair is called the order pair. For example, 2, 3 and 6, 3. First, now we go the first definition, very important definition of the Cartesian product. The definition says if A and B are two non-empty sets, then the set of all order pair A comma B such A belongs to A, B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B, and it's denoted by the A cross B. It is A cross B equal to set of A comma B. A belongs to A, B belongs to B. A comma B is the order pair. It is an order pair. So the Cartesian product says A cross B is not a multiplication. It's make a order pair. The order pairs from the first element lies on the A, set A, and in the second element B is lies on the set of B. Now we go to example number 1.1. What is if A is equal to set of 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to set of 2, 3. Then find the A cross B and B cross A. The second question is A cross B is equal to B cross A? If not, why? And the third question one, so that n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A equal to n of A into n of B. Now we solve now. Given A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 3, right? Now we goes to A cross, first question, A cross B is equal to, we write the A and cross B. What is the Cartesian product says A cross B equal to each element of set A, each element of set A make a order pair with all elements of set B. Listen, very important point. Each element of set A make a order pair with all elements of set B. What? 1 is the first element of A. It's make a order pair in the all elements of B. Now 1, 2 and 1, 3. The first element of A make a order form with B, all elements. Next we take the second element 3, 2, 3, 3 is a order forms, and 5, 2, 5, 3. It's a Cartesian product. It's a first equation number 1. And find the B cross A. B cross A. First we write the B 2, 3 and 1, 3, 5. Same as we product the Cartesian product 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Same as we take the second element 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. It's a Cartesian product. Now we find the first question solved now. The second question says is A cross B equal to B cross A? Now we confirmed that. First we see the A cross B is a 1 and B cross A is a second 2. Now 1, 2 is not lies on the second equation. So A cross B not equal to B cross A. So we from 1 and 2, 1, 2 not equal to 2, 1. Why? 1 comma 2 is a lies on 1 comma 2 is a cross B, or 2 comma 1 lies on B cross A. So it's not equal, so A cross B not equal to B cross A, right? Second answer, solve now. The third question is n of A cross B. What is the n of A cross B? Now A cross B already we find out now. How many terms in the A cross B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms, 6 pair is lies on the A cross B. So n of A cross B is equal to 6. N of means number of. N of A cross B is equal to 6. And the same as n of B cross A. What is the B cross A? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. And what is the n of A? N of A is the A as a 3 terms. So n of A is equal to 3. And n of B is equal to 2. N of B is equal to 2. Above n of A into n of B is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So n of A cross B 6, n of B cross A is 6, n of A into n of B is equal to 6. So third question always solve now. Right. Now we goes to the example number 1.2. If A cross B is equal to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 and 5, 4. Then find the A and B. Now A cross B equal to they are given and A is equal to they are saying set of all first coordinate sets elements of A cross B. What is the first element? 3, 3, 5, 5. The 3 is coming at the twice, 2 times it's come. So we take the only one time, one time 3 and one time 5. So A is equal to 3, 5. Similarly, B is equal to 2, 4. 2, 4. That's all. The second question is solved now. Now we goes to the third question. Example number 1.3. Very very important 5-mark question. If A is equal to x belongs to n and the x lies on the 1 to 4. I mean x is greater than 1 and less than 4. And B is equal to same as x belongs to W and it lies on 0 to 4. C is equal to x belongs to n. It lies on less than 3. Now then prove that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. And second one, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B into intersection A cross C. Solve now. First we go to A. What is find the A? The A is equal to x belongs to n. It means n means natural number. It's lies on between the 1 to 4. What is the between number 1 to 4? 2, 3. So A is equal to 2 and 3. And second P is equal to its lies on 0 to 2 and include 0. Why? Greater than or equal to, so we take the 0, 1. 0, 1. So B is equal to 0, 1. And C is equal to x belongs to n. Its lies on less than 3. Less than 3. So what is the first number? It's x belongs to n. So first number is 1. The natural number first number is 1. So 1 and 2 is the C. C. Well, now we find the all A, B, C sets. We take the first question. A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. First take P union C equal to P is a 0, 1 union 1, 2. Union we know that 0, 1, 2 set of 1, and A cross B union C is equal to, write the A and cross B union C same as we used by the cross multiplication method, Cartesian multiplication method. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, right? It's a 1. Left hand side we find out now. And second, we go to the right hand side. A cross B. A cross B is equal to 2, 3. A is a 2, 3, and B is the 0, 1. We used by the Cartesian product. 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. So next goes to A cross C. 2, 3, A, B, C is a 1, 2. Now we used by the Cartesian product. 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. It's a second one. Now A cross B union A cross C. Used by the A cross B union A cross C. It's a cross B. It's a cross C. The union and the all elements of A cross B and A cross C in single set, right? The single set, right? We get the equation number 1 and equation number 2 are equal. So all elements of the 1 and 2 is same. So from 1 and 2, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C is verified. Right, very important 5 mark. Next we goes to second sum. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. B intersection C. Already we know B is equal to 0, 1 intersection 1, 2. What is the common element of the A and C? The common element is the 1. 1 is the common element. So we write the 1. A cross B intersection C. What is the A 2, 3 and A B intersection C is a 1. The cross Cartesian product 2, 1, 3, 1. So equation number 1 is a make now. A cross B is equal to 2, 3 into 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 1. Now A cross C is equal to 2, 3 cross 1, 2 Cartesian product 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2. Now they are saying the right hand side A cross B intersection A cross C. So A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to this is A cross B, this is A cross C. This is what is the common in the given two sets. 2, 1 and 3, 1 is the common sets. From 1 and 2 we get the A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C is verified. Now we goes to the exercise 1.1 7th sum. Let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B is equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C is equal to the set of even prime numbers. Verify that A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. And second one, A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Solve now. What is the A is equal to? They are saying the set of all natural numbers less than 8. What is the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So less than 8, so stop the 7. B is equal to less than 8. The prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, right? And C is equal to the set of even prime number. Only one even prime number, it is at 2. So C is equal to 2. Now solve the problems. First problem, A cross B, A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. First we find out the A intersection B. What is the A right now? A intersection C. Intersection means common element. What is the common? Common is the 2 is common, 3 common, 4 common, 5 common, 7 common, right? And A cross B cross C. We find out the right hand side. So A cross A intersection B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 into C is equal to 1, 2. We use it by the Cartesian product 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 7, 2, right? Now we find the RHS goes to LHS. First we goes to A cross C. A, C. We multiply the using by Cartesian product. Same as B cross C. We use it by the Cartesian product. A cross C intersection B cross C. What is the common element? 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. That's all. From 1 and 2, A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C is verified. And the second sum of the given, A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. First we find out the B minus C. B is the 2, 3, 5, 7 minus C is the 2. Minus means remove the first set in the second set element. 2 is a common. First 2 is the common element. We remove the common element in the first set. 2 remain element is a 3, 5, 7. It's a B minus C. And A cross B minus C is equal to write the A and B cross C. We know the Cartesian product 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Same as all elements multiple the Cartesian product. Equation number 1. This is a RHS. And we goes to the LHS. A cross B is equal to A, already we know A cross B, multiple this we get this equation, and A cross C, A C multiple, and A cross B minus A cross C. We get the A cross B minus A cross C is equal to equation number 1 and equation number 2 are equal. From 1 and 2 equal. So A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C is verified. That's all.